Hey there, Edgewood hybrid learners. Ms. Weinhagen here. Um, I'm just going to take a few minutes. We have had some big confusion, and it's all on me, so I apologize for that last week with what the expectation is for you when you are at school. So I'm going to take time again. I have changed it so that it's the only thing you'll see in Google Classroom is what I expect you to do when you are learning from home. So I am going to use Google Classroom for first hour, and you're going to click on your classwork tab, and the topics are now going to just say week 4 and then the dates. So if you want to see what your kind of agenda is, you will be able to click on the agenda for the week just to see what you are doing when you're in person. Okay, so when you're with me, when you are at home, and then on Fridays, you're going to complete those 4 core classes and then pick one from the choice board activity that's posted. So hopefully everybody understands that. So when you are at home, there's going to be an assignment that's labeled 928 and 929. That's because some of my students I see on Mondays and then they're at home Tuesdays. And some of you I see on Tuesdays, so you're at home Mondays. So you only have to complete that assignment one time, okay, in the week and turn it in. So if you go back, you'll see, and this isn't posted in your classroom yet, it will be tomorrow morning. Here is your 928 and 929. So depending on if you're at home Monday or Tuesday, that's when you will do this assignment. When you click on it, it's going to be our task list. But now there is zero confusion about what you need to do because it's one list of things just for you all. So I'm really, really hoping that this is very clear. So you will watch this video about the benefits of a warm-up and cool down and then complete a warm-up. Once you're done with that, you get to select one of the 3 online workout videos that you would like to do, depending on what your interest is. Then after that, I'd like you to do 30 minutes of any type of activity of your choosing. Okay, so whatever you like to do, get away from the screen. Okay, because I know that when you're at home learning, you're on your screens a lot, and so I'm going to just try and get you away from there. But then the big piece, and I think we missed it last week, was that you need to complete the Google form on this task list to show me that you completed the tasks for the day. So once you're done with that form, then turn in the assignment. Okay, I will have all of your responses and you will be set for the day. Then on the next page, if ever you need help, I am going to be available on Fridays from 8 to 9 a.m. You can pop into this Zoom link. But if you need assistance earlier, send me an email and I can usually get back to you within the day. And we can also set up a time to meet if you're like, yep, I still don't understand what I'm supposed to be doing when I'm learning from home. I'm really excited to see you all again this week. We're going to just continue on with our Frisbee unit. We'll throw in some different types of games, and I'd like to connect with each one of you one-on-one just to ensure that we all know what's going on and what the expectation is. So hope you all had a great weekend, and I look forward to seeing you this week.